Hi, this is a video from Absolute Sewing. Someone asked me why is the needle alignment not working on a Husqvarna 21. So I've taken off the back cover. There's like two screws holding it. And normally what could happen is you can actually get quite a bit of stiffness in this unit at the back. Because when you turn the dial, this will move to the left or the right. And when you move that, you'll see that your needle the needle position will move as well. Okay, so I'm just going to move to see if I can get a bit more space in it. So I just moved it over a little bit, so it's going to give you some more clarity if we can get in there. So underneath all of that is the actual screw, and all you need to do, obviously that torch doesn't want to stay there, is clean the unit sort of behind it, and you can dimly, come on, get into focus. You can dimly see there's like a flat screw there, and I'm not sure about this model, but that area needs to be cleaned out properly. You can always put a bit of heat with a hairdryer on it, and make sure you don't get too much heat because you don't want to damage any of the softer plastic units. And yeah, just clean that. And I know with the 2000 models you actually set the full needle alignment on that screw just there, but first clean that unit out, and then that should move, yeah, that should move around freely. And you can also see when you turn the needle alignment to the left and the right, and that's how it moves. It might be worthwhile just to check, maybe just to check in there, that area just in there. Yeah, just make sure that's nice and clean, and the area on that side as well. And I hope that works. Otherwise it could be mechanical. And maybe the other thing you can do, just make sure that area is clean in there. Make sure that's got a bit of oil. And probably the other thing you could check as well, which I don't think it will be. I'll just move this around for you. Yeah, just maybe make sure that this part's clean as well, because that will, yeah, so nothing is sticking there. Yeah, try that, and I hope that works. Please leave a comment, and then if it doesn't work, I'll see if I can help you.